several years ago and even, earlier than that, at least in our experience, our customers were wanting a lot of third-party testing and verification from, certified laboratories, and they're wanting a whole slew of water quality tests that, again, they didn't really ever do much with that data. And they wanted it in like PDF format. So it wasn't, getting put into a database or anything. It was just someone checking it over out of their email. Over time, and as I mentioned earlier, like with, building that trust, we've been able to show, like, we don't really need to send these off to third-party labs, like, and all these other parameters that you're looking for, you're not making any decisions based on them. So, here are the key parameters that we think you need to look at, which, in our case would be total iron, ORP, TSS, turbidity, and pH, So here are our recommended ranges. So this is what we think you should be looking for. So then we provide those tests to them. What that's look like in practice is that we do, bi-hourly testing on our facilities, on the influent and the effluent, for those parameters. And it's all historically been a, very manual process, where someone's, getting off of the facility and not doing anything outside that needs to get done, and spending, 30 minutes every 2 hours sitting in a trailer running tests and reporting on those tests. So, that's kind of what brought us to KETOS in the first place, was to reduce those, those labor intensive practices and get towards a more automated solution, and thereby keep our people productive on the things that we actually need, human labor for, versus things that can be handled electronically and with technology.